Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto. We've come to a customer's house to clean the mold out of their Volkswagen Golf. So here is the before video. We'll take an after video once we're done too. So it's that time of the year when mold forms and it's warming up. So give us a call. We'll be happy to come and help you clean your cars. 604-518-6684. Thank you. So as you can see, we've cleaned the entire car and brushed down the entire car. We force the clean underneath the top so that the mold is not only killed superficially, but at heats of over 110 degrees, it actually dies and makes sure that it doesn't come back. So just to give you an idea, this is the process. You can see the entire car is getting cleaned. Every corner of the car will be cleaned so that the mold not only dies, but it doesn't make sure it doesn't come back to it. Hey guys, it's Vic again. Here's the after video for the Volkswagen Golf. As you can see, it's all gone. Please give us a call, 604-518-6684.